one of the key reversal traders is support and resistance. So you have a key levels and you watch them, and when the stock is getting to those areas, you definitely need to be alert and use all kind of indicators in order to see and value your setups as 8, 9 plus out of 10, so it will be worth. And that's what happened to us in the trading room in Tesla. We're talking about this area here. Now at this time, you know, let's go to zoom up to the big picture. Nasdaq this time was getting to the support of the opening day, didn't get to the low, so we got here once and we got second time. So basically we could see that we just a second, that we have this support here, and basically we have a higher low. Now let's see what's happened at the same time on the sector XLK. Basically you could see the same picture, dropping down, double bottom, going again to the 9, coming back. So you see this is a good support. And then I'm watching Tesla in order to capture and see what's exactly happened. And another key that was really important to me here, this is the close of yesterday. So the close of yesterday and what the market is doing, and definitely you could see that we're not getting even to the low of the opening. And look at the volume bar, you got almost like, I don't know, less than 50 but or more, a little bit more, but it's a good place. So I even zoom in order to catch it and start building the position, and that's what we did exactly. I'm actually going and zoom even to 1 minute at this area, although the time, and what I'm doing is around this level I'm starting to buy. Where is the close? At this area here, as we're about in, I think 214 something. I'm buying quarter of a position, a little bit towards the half position, and my stop is exactly here, really small stop, like 20-30 cents. And what I'm doing is above this key level of the 2 minutes, I'm adding to full position again. Stop is here. Now what do I see in this picture? If I'm going to follow again the QQQ and the tech, definitely the first area that we can go is, at least the first resistance can be towards the VWAP, of course the 9 EMA, but then the big picture is towards the VWAP. So I'm building here, and then when we're going toward this level here around the 9, you could see that the higher low start moving a little bit to the side. So I'm taking a third here, you know, just to see how we confirm around the 9 EMA, and from here basically we are going towards the VWAP. We got this spike and then we had like a second one, so I took here a little bit more. We bounced a little bit down, I raised my stop under here, and then I had less than half. I wanted to see what's happening around here. So we got to the VWAP, and definitely you could see that we have a trend here, like a range. And at the same time, market, let's move to the 5 minutes. Market was higher low, just moving up. So definitely for it's a tech company definitely will follow it. So what happened here is, as the consolidation started, above here I add to a full position and even a little bit more with a stop around here. So you see what I'm doing all the time. I'm taking the profits, and then when I have an options, I'm actually adding more. So again, higher low, but not the same as you could see here. So less volume, so that's getting to my mind. So around this level here, when I started to see this bounce, I took a partial and I got out under here. What can you learn from this trade? Again, support resistance, key level, but it's not enough. You need to support your thesis with watching, sector, the market, and maybe other stock from that sector, major. Definitely you can build a position. You don't need to jump immediately. Sometimes you can, throw something and it might fail, and maybe you need a second chance or more. And definitely if your thesis get right and you see the development, add to support what you're thinking, because those kind of trade, this is trade that started with 20-30 cents, and at the end it did, for the first entry almost 1 to 9 with the right size.